Okay. Hello and welcome to another video. This video has the ability to transform your trading from blowing accounts, losing money, and becoming part of the 1% of elite traders. What I'm going to be talking about here is important. It's not about strategy. It's not about psychology. It's not about the things that people already have discussed out there, and maybe you've tried working on your psychology, you've tried working on your strategy, but that's not the problem. There's another problem somewhere which I'm going to be discussing in this video. So first thing first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and leave a comment on the video once you watch it on what you think about it. So trading requires experience just like any other career. When you want to become a mason, when you want to become a doctor, when you want to become a professional teacher, you'll need experience in order to be able to know how to maneuver in different situations and conditions. And when it comes to trading, when you lack the experience, that is when you're going to be making the mistakes until the mind adapts on how to behave on certain market conditions. Now, majority of traders often know what exactly they're supposed to be doing, but they often end up making silly mistakes that they even question sometimes, like, what is this happening? Like, literally, what's going on? I was not supposed to buy here. I was supposed to be selling, but why did I buy? It was not my strategy. They have very well planned good risk management, but whenever they enter the trade, they often buy, over leverage, or sell, just over leveraging, and ending up blowing their accounts. And later on, they ask themselves a question: what is it happening? What's happening? And some people often think that maybe it's a spirit that's over me. It's making me do silly mistakes. Maybe it's something like. But let me tell you something, guys. Here's the answer: it's not a spirit. It is your subconscious mind making you make those mistakes, because the coded information or data on your subconscious mind has nothing to do with good behaviors. All it knows, because the way you were brought up since you were a kid, they've told you work hard. They've told you gotta keep on trying. But you see, with trading, the more you keep on trying is the more you keep on losing money. So you have to reserve your capital. You have to be patient. You have to be a sniper. So how can we fix this issue of lack of experience if you are in trading as a beginner, maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, and still feel like there's still a problem? I want you to look at this in this manner. Our subconscious mind often stores data, and whenever it feels like there's something or there's a problem, it often reverts back to the data stored in the mind, and uses that data to make decision for even a problem sometimes that doesn't even really exist. That's why you are in that loop, because your subconscious mind has that data. What you did last time is what it knows, and it has kept it in there. So how can you reprogram it, or how can you change that problem? It is by building good habits. Building good habits will take you time. You'll have to try every day, fight those emotions, that eager to trade, that eager to revenge trade. You're going to fight those emotions, and that is not easy at all. That is how majority of the people gain their experience. They fight it like that, which takes them years and years. But what if I tell you, like, there's an easier way out and a way too faster? It is a hack. You're gaining that experience even before it happens. It's through visualization, guys. Now, listen to me. Every morning, I did a first video on how to fix your trading psychology through visualization. It's here in the channel. You can check the part 1. This is part 2. Every morning before you enter the markets, have a pre-market routine. And I want you to do this. Close your eyes. You know your strategy. I'm not here to talk about strategy. Whatever you're using, it is working. Believe me or not, if you're trading trend lines, double top, double bottom, ICT, SMC, whatever you're trading, it is working. I've done it all. It all works. All you lack is consistency and the right discipline, which disciplines of course goes back to whatever I'm talking about right here, right now. So I want you to close your eyes. Visualize that you're in a trade. Visualize that the trade is coming close to your entry spot. And your mind is telling you, I'm going to miss this trade. Enter right now. Visualize denying that urge. Visualize being patient. Fight it. Don't don't allow the urge to enter early with the fear of missing out. Take full control. Just visualize you being patient, waiting until it comes to your zone, taking that entry, setting your stop loss correctly, setting your take profit, and walking away as easy as ABC. Visualize it. Feel like you're really doing it. Feel it in your mind. Then stop. Guys, what we just did right now is we have programmed or we have stored some new data into your subconscious mind just by having those thoughts. Just by having those thoughts, we have already stored some data into your mind. Now, is that enough? No. So you have to keep on doing it every day as much as you can so that you can reprogram your mind by having those good habits. Now, number 2, if you're dealing with impatience, or anytime you want to open the charts and just place trades, and because you see other people are posting cars, they're posting withdrawals, they're posting payout checks, you also want that, which is fine. You're gonna get it, but let us hack that experience. Let us shorten that lifespan of experience. So let's go to patience. If you're used to always exiting your trades because you fear of losing, you exit early, or you just don't have patience for your setup to form, now close your eyes again. Visualize you're in the market. The setup is forming, but it's taking too long. So you have an urge to take the trade. Visualize being patient and waiting and waiting and waiting until it fully forms. Visualize patience once you're in the trade to let it play out. Visualize you becoming the better trader you've always wanted by being patient. See it, feel it in your mind, and become it. Now stop right there. What we just did is also add another information or data to your subconscious mind of good habits. Is doing this one time enough? No, you have to do it more often until it becomes normal, because your mind will have that data at the back at the subconscious mind, so you don't have to even think about it. It's already there. The reason why you keep on repeating the same mistakes over and over again in your trading career is because those bad habits are what are there in your mind. Those are what are present. That's the data in there. So you can't run away from it because that's what's in there. So for us to change that, we have to code in new information to your subconscious mind, which is good habits. If you have a problem of always becoming greedy, you want more and more and more in the market, even after winning, close your eyes. Visualize you're in a trade. This trade is going well. It is going according to your plan. Visualize to take profit at the desired levels. Visualize being content with the little that the market has offered according to your strategy. Feel it and become it. Guys, this is the secret to having that experience that you yearn so much, that you see other people telling you, it took me 10 years to become this. It took them 10 years because they did not have this secret. Guys, I'm telling you this for free. If you follow carefully what I just said, if you do it, watch your life change, watch your trading change. Visualize becoming the trader and disciplined trader you want to become, and you shall become it. As a man thinketh, so is he. The way you think, the way you program your mind is the same way you're going to become. I don't want to go above this. This was just to help you guys to fix your bad habits through visualization, which is part 2. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like and a comment. I will be doing more videos of this to enable you guys to be able to solve your problems in the trading arena. I believe it's not about strategies. It is about the bad habits that needs to be fixed so that you can be able to become profitable and change your life. See you in the next one, guys. Cheers.